In a system design interview, they hand you one big app and ask how to split it into smaller services, and microservices should not be your opening move. Design thinking means you clarify the problem and name constraints before you draw boxes, because technology choices only make sense after you know what is actually broken. Start with questions like why split at all, whether releases are slow or teams block each other on the same code, what must keep working when one piece fails, and how many users hit the slow parts. Then decompose by what the business does, like orders, payments, and email alerts as whole vertical pieces, not a thin API layer sitting on one shared database. Trace one user action end-to-end, like placing an order, and mark who writes each table, because the first service to move should own its data from screen to database. In a store app, the product list is often a good first split because it mostly reads data, email alerts can move next with messages, and payments should wait until you have safe retries and an undo plan. Splitting buys independent deploys and clear team ownership, but every feature now crosses the network, so you are trading simplicity for scalability and team speed. Design for failure before you split. If email is down, checkout should still finish, and slow side effects belong in messages so the shopper is not waiting on a long chain. The practical approach is the Strangler pattern: peel off one bounded piece, give it its own database, route traffic in small steps with no big bang rewrite, and keep one writer per table during migration. A common mistake is creating many small apps that still share one orders table, so nothing is really separate and every step hops across the network. A strong answer names the pain first, picks the smallest bounded piece with its own data, and states what you gain and give up out loud. Follow interviewcrafted.com.